Why hello, welcome back. Really exciting news. I spent a lot of money on a pair of slippers and I don't know if you've ever fallen for this, but I found these via a targeted Instagram app. Why do they know me and know everything I want to buy? They kept hitting me with the cute pictures of these slippers, and then one night they hit me with a coupon code. I took the bait. Finally came in the mail all the way from Canada, so I thought it'd be fun if we would unbox them together, see what we think about these slippers that I paid $167 for. I can't believe I did that, but you know what? You gotta treat yourself sometimes, so let's get into it. Here it is. The package just came today. It is huge. Nice black box. Looks like it got a little damaged. So funny story, I guess somebody messed up at the post office and these got sent to America, back to Canada, and then finally back to me. Let's open these babies up. Getting a box cutter has been life-changing. Oh my gosh, I see them. They're humongous. Oh my gosh. They were described as designer slippers. I'm really into bears lately. I don't know what it is. They're just cute. It's like a comfort thing. Oh my god. It's bigger than my head. Gosh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. There's a little tag here. It says the brand, which is, I believe, Konterfeit is the brand. This is the bear. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Let me take out the other one. Oh, wow. Me and my two new best friends here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try these on. I'll show you what they look like.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
My current house slippers, and now that I have these bears on, these seem so dinky and flimsy and not warm. See ya. Okay, first thing, these are so warm. I just walked around the house. They're huge. It just makes you smile to look down at your feet and see these. Was it worth the money? I don't know. That's a lot of money. I'll have to like wear them for a while and see how long they last, but I'm definitely going to keep them. I do know that. I'm happy that I bought these. I think that they're really cute. I think that they definitely make a statement. I think it'll be really fun if like I have people over and then I can just like wear these while I'm hanging around the house. So overall, I'm really happy I bought them. Thank you for watching just this kind of short, fun video. Let me know, do you think I wasted my money? Do you think it was worth it? I'll link the slippers down below. I know they had some other colors if you're interested in checking them out or buying some for yourself. Until next time, I'd love if you would subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, so it's me from the future. I've had the bears for about a week now, so I thought I would just pop in and give you like final thoughts and an update on how I've been liking them. I've been wearing them a lot, and the first thing I have to say is that they're so warm. Like, they've got my feet sweating. I've only been wearing them with socks because I don't want to get them like gross inside, so that might be making them warmer too. I'm wearing them a lot. They are really, really big, which I mentioned earlier, and they're a little bit heavy, which I kind of like because it kind of makes me feel more relaxed, like, because I don't want to walk around a lot or do anything. So if I just want to kind of like force myself to be comfy and chill, I put them on and then I just kind of like sit down and like relax, which is kind of hard for me sometimes. They're really, really good quality. The only other thing is that they kind of trigger my anxiety a little while I'm wearing them because they were just so expensive that I'm just scared I'm gonna get them dirty or ruin them. But that's just kind of like a personal problem that I need to get over. Definitely think it was worth the splurge. They're really nice and I love them so much and they just make me smile every time I see them. It's kind of funny because Flower will like try to attack my feet while I'm walking around. Yeah, they're really great, so I'll leave a link below to them if you want to check it out, if you want to like splurge on something fun and treat yourself. I think it's definitely a good option and I've been really enjoying them. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
When I go to sleep at night.